Happy Easter, guys. It's also my birthday in a few weeks. So Ripskirt have also just sent me a whole heap of stuff to take travelling over the next few months. So I got like a sun hoodie, which is really cool. Check this out, Dad. It's just really like smooth and silky. And I love the size 1 Ripskirt, so this is what? No, it's okay. I got the yellow one. I might have to go to Indonesia in May so that I can wear these. And oh, the black, actually this would go really well with this. I got another one of the ones. Oh my god, I feel like a little bit overpacked, but they're so light. I got this black top to go with it. First time I bought anything that's not like the skirt or the buff. It's nice material. And I got some accessories. Dad, look. A travel pouch. I put some Easter eggs in it. I'll put toiletries in there and first aid kit maybe, that'll be handy. And
very
sun buff. Hey?
Exotic first aid kit.
This is the sun buff, they work really well.
Nice colour.
I've already had these before, but I have lost it. That's cute. Ooh, this is the sun hoodie. Mum, you wore this in Fiji last year.
Mm-hmm.
The colour's amazing.
That's a nice colour, yeah. Mine was kayaking.
Yours was light blue.
Yep. It's perfect.
I've got a fair bit of hiking in the next few weeks.
Nice colour. What's it called?
Sun hoodie.
No, the colour.
Oh.
I don't know. Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, and a classic. I'm just replacing my black skirt because I wear it.
Yeah, hiking.
And the material is crinkly. But I've had it for a few years.
And more.
And what's this? Oh, the Ripskirt towel.
They're so good. I've got 2.
Ooh. Dad, look. Towel.
You know, Jess, I introduced you to this. And lots of other people. That's a nice design. I like that. I haven't seen that one. Yeah, Dad's used one. We took them to kayaking in Fiji.
Amazing.
Beautiful. How awesome. Ripskirt. Yay.